Hello everyone, this is Jonas Wolf and this is All In Talk. Welcome to Huawei's retail booth at MWC 2025. Today we are exploring how Huawei can help retailers to transform from traditional operating models to more agile and lean ones. Come on, let's find Mr. Liu Chao, CEO of Huawei's Manufacturing and Large Enterprise Business Unit. Let's go.
Jonas, nice to meet you.
It's my pleasure to meet. The digital and intelligence transformation in the retail industry is happening faster and faster. Retail stores, like independent stores, chain stores, shopping malls, franchise stores are all speeding up their changes. Electronic price tags are becoming more and more common, and the seamless connection of online and offline shopping experiences is being achieved. So why do you think the digital and intelligent transformation of retail stores is accelerating?
We have seen two key trends that are speeding up the growth of smart stores. First, retail chains are expanding. Retailers are expanding their scale to control cost and improve efficiency. Many corporate retailers now operate over 10,000 stores. Digital technology have made chain operation easier to manage. This drives the increase in chain stores. Secondly, online and offline channels are merging. Customers want a smooth shopping experience. For instance, offline stores must now provide high-end customer experience while also supporting regional logistics and distribution and supporting market data analysis. This is why retailers are speeding up store upgrades.
I'm really curious, what is Huawei doing to help those retailers?
To meet this needs, we work with partners to improve our smart retail store solution. It supports digital upgrade for individual stores and connect them with their headquarters.
Could you tell us more about these solutions?
Take supermarket as an example. A large supermarket typically has more than 20,000 shelf labels and 4,000 need weekly updates. This task is complex and easy to lead to errors. That's why electronic shelf label (ESLs) are popular in Europe, but they also bring challenges in network setup and maintenance. How can we make it easier to manage and expand networks? Huawei is working with ESL vendors together to enhance Wi-Fi access point (AP). Our integrated Wi-Fi and IoT solution allow ESLs connect easier to APs. This setup provides Wi-Fi coverage while linking ESLs and smart systems. The solution helps retailers to reduce costs and is well received in the industry.
That sounds like a really awesome solution. This small access point or AP not only reduces the operation and maintenance cost for the retail companies, but also makes it easier to promote ESLs. It lightens the workload for store employees, and consumers can buy quality products at lower prices. That is a win-win solution.
Exactly. Huawei is committed to working with partners to solve the retailer's challenge. In 2024, we have upgraded our checkout counter solutions. A supermarket typically has dozens of devices, but the traditional network is not scalable and the lack of unified operations and maintenance. Our new checkout RU solution is different with plug-and-play device, remote measurement, online fault analysis, secure resolution, simplified maintenance, and improved efficiency. Our smart store solution solves connectivity issues for hundreds and thousands of chain stores. Taking up 1,000 stores used to take over 300 days. Huawei's smart retail SD-WAN solution makes it much easier. It alternates network setup, allowing for free deployment with one click. This cuts the work to just 65 days, boosting efficiency at 80%. To keep store network secure, Huawei has also launched the Smart Retail Sushi solution to improve security and uses AI to prevent network threats. This helps retailers operation safety and smoothly.
Your interaction today is really wonderful. I can't wait to experience all these products in retail stores.
Okay,
Shall we continue our tour here through the booth?
let's go.